My name is Sean Fournier, Product Specialist for Dryland, and today we're going to be talking about dry spin lead screw technology. Dry spin is igus's patented lead screw thread geometry. What we have done is taken industry standard threads like Acme and trapezoidal and optimized the shape of the thread itself to improve wear and increase lifetime. We have done this in two major ways. First, we rounded the shape of the tooth itself. What this does is it significantly increases the vibration dampening capabilities of the screw and reduces noise compared to trapezoidal and Acme lead screws. Second, we introduced asymmetry into the thread profile. Typical industry standard screws allow for a 1-to-1 ratio of thread to nut material. What igus has done is narrowed the shape of the thread itself to allow for a 1-to-3 ratio. Essentially, what we have done is we have increased the amount of usable thread material over the course of the nut by 30%, drastically increasing life of the screw in your application. You can even see these benefits in our online life cycle calculator, where in the test application seen on screen, you'll see that the same nut with the same thread pattern lasted nearly 50,000 cycles longer just from switching from a trapezoidal geometry to dry spin. These test results are backed by our state-of-the-art testing facility found in our headquarters in Germany. They operate around the clock to make sure that our online configurators and lifecycle calculators provide the most accurate information possible. To see how your application might benefit from using dry spin, or to learn anything about igus products, click the link below.